Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have taken three trades today in Bank Nifty and I have done major mistakes today. So let me just explain you that why I have done what mistakes did I do. Okay. So as you can see that yesterday market has been falling and closed in downtrend only. It was completely bearish market and taken out all the SL of buyers. Okay. Whosoever have here and taken out all the SL of buyers. Okay. Now okay, so logically if market opens sideways or gap up, so the sellers who have been here, they have been taken out. Okay, but market has closed very big gap down. Okay, and after gap down it goes upside and immediately came down. That means what this 1 minute candle shows that whosoever was sitting sell in this position, they must have booked their profit. Okay, so now if profit has the selling profit has already been booked, then now it is less chance that market will go upside. Okay, also market has taken the support of 500 level, as you can see, 500 level. So it is not possible for market to immediately go up. Okay, so market came here and now given the breakdown. Okay, now given the background, it again started going upside. Okay, so what does it mean? That buyers is still not taken out. Okay, the buyers whosoever try to take the price upside, they must have keep their SL below here. Okay, at least 100 to 100 points. Okay, so when price again came up, here, so and could not able to go immediately upside and take out the SL of sellers who have entered here. Okay, so that means there's a strong selling from upside. Okay, so upper side there is no seller. Okay, the seller, the some of the seller would, very few seller must have come here. Okay, because after seeing this move nobody would interested in selling. Okay, everybody is trying to take the price at the retracement. Okay, so now market when go upside here, as you can see, it is not possible for the price to immediately go upside after this much fall. Okay, so with that thinking I went short here. Okay, but I did not get a conviction to hold this because it's a morning hour trade, so volatility usually is very high. So I did not get the confidence to hold. So when price went in my direction and then reversed back to my entry point, and I exited. And as you can see, as soon as I exited, price has just continuously fallen aggressively in my direction. So uh, I should be regretting this, but it's okay. I should be learning from this that you should not, once you set your target or SL, you just, uh, whether your target gets it or your SL gets it. Okay, that's it. But I have exited and break even, that's okay. Now the biggest mistake I have done in this trade is that as you can see, this selling has been coming after this breakdown. The selling has been very weak. Okay, the selling has been very weak, and without inviting the buyers, price has given the breakdown. Okay, so basically I most of the retail seller would also come and sell here, obviously. So I was also get trapped in this because I thought the 15-minute candle has closed above this and now will go for short. So basically this was not a logical trade. Obviously price will go for retracement, can't keep on going downside like this even uh, without even inviting the buyers. Okay, so buyers has not been invited, as you can see. The sellers has been coming here, so to take, so immediately price went and I have to exit at loss. Okay, now as you can see that after this some of the sellers must have come and market has reversed from here. Okay, so now the sellers who could not able to make the selling position, they would come and sell now on retracement. Some of the sellers are still here, some of the seller would sell on retracement. Now selling has been here. So with that thinking, as soon as I exited, now after this when price sustain above this, I went long. Okay, I went long, so with the intent, with the psychology that market will reverse or at least come till this level. Okay, but market has reached about 50 or more than 50% of my target. But as you can see, this level, this is a strong resistance level. Prices try to come Price tries to come up, go upside, but could not able to, and seller pushes the price downside. And when again price came to the same level, again price goes down, and I had to take exit on break even. Okay, so the mistake is that once basically I do trade only, I take only single trade in a day, but when you get a loss in first trade, you cannot control and you just try to cover the loss that you have done. So this is very important to detach yourself from emotions that comes out of trading, that comes out of profit and loss. So you need to be very careful and very psychological strong. You need to be emotions. You have to control your emotions when you have a loss, because when you make profit, then you can control yourself by taking another trade. But when you get a loss, you cannot control yourself, and you just finding the irrelevant opportunities, and you end up by making more and more losses. Okay, so that is why this is very important to just after taking this loss, I should not be uh, entering in another trade, because by this continue falling, I came in FOMO, and the FOMO makes me enter in unnecessary trade, and I end up by losing the money. Instead of making the good money in today market, I have lost the money. So that is why you should be very careful when it comes to your losses and emotions. Okay. So that is for today. Thank you so much.